so here's my progress report of the final project. So there are 4 types of decision-making models I'm going to discuss in this paper. They are rational models, normative models, administrative models, and ethical models. So in this paper, it will make analysis of the pros and cons for them. Here are some different aspects of the progress of this paper. First one is what information I'm producing and how I can verify it. So I have produced the concept and the step of the different models and make examples for each of them. And I have applied some rules to validate the model's quality, like if the problems are clear or if the objectives are clear, and people agree on the criteria and the weights. So the second one is what kind of simplifying assumption I'm making. So I'm making assumptions for each of the models. For the relational models, it's simple and easy to make, but not having sufficient amount of information, and which is very critical. And the normative model is the best option to make the quantitative judgments. The administrative model is the most realistic decision models. So what kinds of variables and parameters I'm consider? I consider for different use cases as a variable, and the different measurements are the variables. So I will use the flowchart, and some of them will use the insight maker to compute expected value. And I will based on some decision-making rules and apply for the common sense to verify the models. And the use case I choose is actually the real-world use cases. So for now, I have clear of the concept of each the model and some rules to verify the models. I need to do is find the appropriate real-world use cases and draw some flowchart and compute numerical data. My concern is it may be difficult to find meaningful and significant use cases, and difficult to find a better way to compare the numeric data and non-numeric data's result. So that's all.